How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw kind of a cute Godzilla. It's not really cute because he's gonna be angry, but it's gonna be more of like a cartoonier Godzilla that's gonna be shooting out the atomic breath, and you're gonna see it explode. Okay. Very, very simple. If you don't know how to draw, you should be able to draw this. Very, very simple. And it's only about 8 minutes. Okay. Stick around for the entire 8 minutes, and you'll learn the entire thing. That's pretty much it. Let's get started. Okay. One thing is, before we start, hit that like button if you do like Godzilla videos. It lets me know what to post more of, and that's really big deal for the channel itself and the growth of it, and for, you know, giving you guys what you want. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw Godzilla, if you like learning how to draw different versions of Godzilla, King Kong, and all those characters. You know, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post it all the time. And that's it. So let's get started, okay? Gonna go over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line right here for the top of Godzilla's nose. Remember, it's gonna be like a squattier, cuter Godzilla. Draw a line here. That's gonna be the top of the snout. Pulling up. Going over here, and I'm gonna curve at the top of the head here. Maybe pull it down a little bit more. Pull another bump here for the back. You've got a little squatty, you know, short version of a Godzilla. So I'm gonna look another bump here, and that's gonna be most of his back. And then I'm gonna pull a line here for the tail. Pull it up. Doing good? Doing all right? All right. Next, gonna go to the front here. Pull down in the front of the snout. Pull back for his open mouth. Right there. Gonna go in, and I'm gonna curve underneath for the other part of the mouth. Down here, curve. So now we have his open mouth. Line down here for the front of his chest a little bit. Curve for that tummy. And it's going to continue to curve for where he's sitting there. All right. I'm going to go over here to the foot, and I'm going to draw a curved line here for the top of the leg. Down here for the foot. Back. And we're going to draw some nails right there for the foot. Line back. Up. So he has like very, very squatty foot, right? Little stumpy foot. Gonna go over here on this side, curve. To kind of just gonna give the tail some volume. We're gonna draw a leg just like this over here on the far end. So over here, curve for the top of that part. Line here, like so. Out for his far side arm. And I'm gonna draw little spikes as well for that arm. Going over here on this side, curve. He's got that stumpy arm. Curve. And I'm gonna draw some zigzags over here. Gonna draw a curved shape right here. So we're gonna draw the pattern on the stomach. Line across here. So it's gonna show like a color differentiation on the stomach. And we can draw maybe some lines across it. He's got the snake belly thing. Let's draw in his eye. So I'm gonna draw a straight line here, across the top, down here, back. Line over here for the nose, dot for the nose. And we're gonna draw some teeth in his mouth. I'm just doing these very simple triangles. I'm only putting like 3, so they're even visible. All right, and let's draw the spikes on his back, okay? 1, 2, 3. I like to group them by 3s, honestly. I find that, you know, to be a little bit more appealing and a little bit more attractive. See, these are 2s of the tail. And 1 right there. Make him look more Godzilla-ish. I could draw another line down here to thicken out the tail where it starts to meet him. Throw a line or 2 here. And then we're gonna throw the ray, right, the coming from his mouth. So I'm gonna draw it relatively small right there. See, just a straight line over here as well. Almost looks like his tongue. And then that's gonna hit something, right? So that's gonna explode over here. Over here. And that is mostly it. That is pretty much it. We could close that off, by the way, if you want, on this side with the rest of that. You don't have to do that, but that is a, like, I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, maybe a chibi Godzilla, you know, shooting his atomic breath. But thank you so much. I appreciate everything. You guys are awesome. If you liked the video, hit the like. Don't forget to do that. If you did enjoy it as well, share it with a friend. If you want to help the channel out, share it with a friend that you think you might, you know, like Godzilla, learning to draw Godzilla, or maybe put it on a Facebook page or something about Godzilla. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you guys in the next video, okay? One thing's important is I need you, when you start drawing, just kind of keep positive, and I want you to keep it easy for yourself, all right? See you later, and I will talk to you very, very soon. See you tomorrow.